how does the dual zone air conditioner in my car work? Well, let's see if we can figure that out today. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Certified Master Technician. Now, the part in your car that gets cold is called an evaporator. Refrigerant gets pumped by the AC compressor into the inside of the car. That refrigerant is under a low pressure and also a low temperature, usually 35 or 40 degrees in the evaporator. And we blow air over that, and it takes the heat from the car and puts it into the refrigerant, so your air becomes colder. So we have a blower motor that blows air through this evaporator. Now, the way the dual zone system works is we also have a heater core. So we have a hot side of the system and a cold side of the system. And when we don't have a dual zone, we basically have a deflector door. And that deflector door, if we're full hot, closes off the evaporator. If we're full cold, it closes off the heater core. And anywhere in between is a mixture. We actually call that an air mix door or a temperature blend door because it can blend the cold and the hot. And the way the dual zone system works is we have two sets of doors that can control how much air goes over the cold side or the hot side. So that way we can save marriages because we know that men and women typically like different temperatures. So I hope that gives you a little bit of information about your dual zone system. Bottom line is it's like a little plastic door that each side of the car can be controlled. So thanks for watching today, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.